All right, we are getting a big breaking development, and what sources from the ANI are saying that there has been no recent conversation between President of the United States Donald Trump and the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The last conversation between these two leaders happened on the 4th of April 2020 on the subject of hydroxychloroquine. The MEA has also made it clear that they are in touch directly with China through established mechanisms and diplomatic contacts. So what is the claims and how do we interpret what Donald Trump has been saying of having a word with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the China issue and also making up the offer to mediate? He's done that earlier on the Kashmir issue as well, and recently he said that the Prime Minister is not in a good mood. Now, who is he actually quoting? He says India is not happy. Apparently, China is also not happy. But if it wishes, the countries wish that they want to resolve the matter, the United States is ready to step in. So how does India and China interpret what Donald Trump, the President of the United States, seems to be suggesting now, where there has been no communication between the two top leaders? Last conversation that happened was on the 4th of April 2020. We have Shravan with us to delve us what these source-based information really means. Shravan, did they have a conversation or not?
Well, in fact, Amita, what we are picking up that there has been no recent contact between Prime Minister Modi and US President Donald Trump. The last conversation, in fact, took place on 4th of April 2020. This is on the subject of the hydroxychloroquine. And in fact, the Ministry of External Affairs had also made it clear that they are directly in touch with China through established diplomatic contacts. Now, if you simply go by what US President Donald Trump had to say, he's essentially already waded into the mediation a bit by saying that he is willing to mediate between India and China and try and settle the border dispute. And at the same time, today's message that comes across from US President Donald Trump is the fact that he has actually spoken to Prime Minister Modi. And what he says is that Prime Minister Modi hasn't been in a very good mood. This is exactly what US President Donald Trump had to say with regards to the current situation between India and China.
All right, Shravan, I want you to hold on. We are going to play out that soundbite, that reaction of President Donald Trump, where he seems to be suggesting that he did, in fact, have a conversation with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and over the China face-off. Also said that the Indian Prime Minister did not seem to be in a very good mood. Let's listen into that reaction.
We have a big conflict going with India and China. Two countries with 1.4 billion people. Two countries with very powerful militaries. And India is not happy, and probably China is not happy. But I can tell you, I did speak to Prime Minister Modi. He's not in a good mood about what's going on with China.
Mr. President, have you spoken to...
Wait, are you finished?
No, sir. So yesterday you tweeted about you want to mediate between India and China on this issue.
I would do that. I would do that if they thought it would help. If I were the mediator or the arbiter, I would do that. So
we are waiting confirmation on part of the MEA on this, Shravan, because from where exactly is he getting those ideas of having a conversation if we are denying that the last conversation that the two leaders had? We have Smita Prakash, editor ANI, with us on the phone line. Smita, how do we interpret this? Did they talk or not?
Well, India says they didn't. And they said that Indian sources say that there was the last conversation was on 4th April 2020, and that was regarding the HCQ. There's no question of talks about between Trump and Mr. Modi about China as
All right, because what we know, according to sources, that it is till the 4th of April. And that is when the last conversation happened between these two leaders. And that was over the subject of hydroxychloroquine. Remember, at that point, Donald Trump had talked about retaliation. if India did not provide with the relevant drugs, and India had gone all out when it comes to the other nations who have too been affected because of coronavirus pandemic, and where the drug was made available to them, hydroxychloroquine, and thereafter Donald Trump had even thanked the Indian Prime Minister, saying that Narendra Modi is a very good friend of his. But this time around, when the India-China face-off at the Ladakh borders seems to be increasing, the two nations are also very much in touch, and we have seen how China is now slowly de-escalating when it comes to the pressure too that has been built by India on the border areas at the LAC. You have the President of the United States who seems to be taking this as an opportunity because of the imminent India-China face-off. Is he now trying to take advantage of this opportunity? Smita, we are now able to hear you clearly now. Can you tell us what, according to the sources from the MEA, that we can actually confirm that the last time these leaders had a conversation was on the 4th of April. So what is Donald Trump talking about that Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not seem to be in a very good mood?
Yes, it seems like some imaginary conversation that President Trump seems to have had with the Indian Prime Minister, because as per sources in India, there was no conversation other than the one on 4th of April, and that was about HCQ. As you rightly pointed out, that things had got a little sticky, where Donald Trump made it clear that he has to have HCQ, and it was given, India gave it without much of a fuss, and things got okay between them. But I don't understand where this came from, that Indian Prime Minister is not in a good mood, because there was no conversation. Whether this is some kind of, at diplomatic level, some conversation that diplomats had between India and the US, and then he has extrapolated that to a conversation that he had. Whatever it is, the point is that India says that the talks about China are being held with China and not with any third party, which is how it happens unless there's a bilateral conversation which is happening between, say, India and the US regarding South Asia, and then Pakistan comes up and Afghanistan comes up. But regarding China, there has been no one-on-one conversation between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi since 4th of April, is what we have heard from sources.
But Smita, because we are talking about two global leaders, and can we say that America is looking at an opportunity anywhere where China will be seen as an aggressor, whether be it on the Taiwan situation, the Hong Kong situation, and now with the border areas with India and China, and America does want to step in between, especially when Donald Trump has made the issue of mediation before. He's done that, the offer during Kashmir, and now between China?
Look, what I have learned is that there have been several briefings that President Trump has had in the past 3.5 years, 4 years, since he's been president, from various experts in his administration about South Asia, who have told him repeatedly not to use the word mediation or when he talks about India and Pakistan. And of course, when it comes to China, it's no holds barred when it comes to him attacking China. But then that also waxes and wanes as whenever he wants to. Now, regarding China, India, if I may say, some kind of a conflict kind of a situation that we are having on the border, America is trying to, or rather President Trump is trying to make hay while the sun shines. America would like to juxtapose India with China, but then we live in this neighborhood. India lives in this neighborhood, and many times MEA sources have said that China is on India's border. So India has to learn to live with China, not America. America sits many miles away. So it is in India's interest to have good relations with China, and we cannot have an aggressive northern neighbor and an aggressive western neighbor. You have to have some kind of diplomatic contact whereby we sort out our issues, and we cannot be positioned in a place of an aggressive situation with China at any point of time. Yes, there are issues that we have regarding the boundary dispute, and that's been going on for decades. But it is a peaceful border by and large. Not a single bullet has been fired for decades on that border.
Yes, absolutely. And India is in that position that it can negotiate. It is not in the 1962 period that India is still living in. India can negotiate, and it is staring right back at China. And we have seen how in the last few days, India has now actually pulled up that pressure on China, that is now it's forced to de-escalate, and the talks have been going on between the two countries. We'll see if from the MEA we get that confirmation and the clarification that whether or not Donald Trump had that conversation, because he actually being a top leader, he's the president of the United States, his statements have to be taken in all that seriously, and also with the kind of offer that he had made that before as well, and he rather reiterated it, that's saying that he's ready to mediate on the standoff between India and China. But what exactly did he mean that having the conversation with the Indian Prime Minister and saying that he did not seem to be in a good mood?